Hi everyone, welcome back to CodeViento. I'm Nihan, and today we'll be diving into the world of linked lists in Java. We have already discussed what linked lists are conceptually in one of our previous videos. Now it's time to implement them step by step. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to create and work with linked lists in Java, including adding and removing elements dynamically. So let's get started. Before we diving into the methods, let's start with the foundations of our linked list implementation, the node class and the linked list class. The node class represents each element in the linked list. It contains two key attributes: data to hold the actual value of the node, next a reference or pointer to the next node in the linked list. This allows us to link each node to form the chain of the linked list. Now let's move to the linked list class, which is a reference to the first node in the linked list. Initially, the head is set to null since the linked list is empty. As we add elements, the head will point to the first node of the linked list. This setup ensures we always know where the list begins. Let's create the first method, add_to_head. This method allows us to add a new node to the beginning of the list. We create a new node. We update the head to the new node. Finally, if the list has already a head, the new node's next attribute points to the current head. Add_to_tail method. Let's add a method to the insert a head to the end of the linked list. Otherwise, we traverse the list until we reach the last node, whose next node is null. Then we set the next of the last node to the new node. Now let's look at removing a node from the beginning of the linked list using removeHead method. We will implement the method with string return. It will return the data of the removed head of reference. If the list is empty, return null. Otherwise, update the head to the next node. Then return the data of removed head for reference. Stop the video here and try to implement the method by yourself. Then continue to watch my solution. Let's check the removeHead implementation. Now let's test everything we've implemented in main method. The implemented classes are here. The node class we implemented first, and the linked list class we add methods, add_to_head, add_to_tail, removeHead. I add a printless method to test main result, and the main code is here. Now let's test everything we implemented in the main method. In this example, we first add spring and summer to the head, then we add fall and winter to the tail. We print the first to see the order, finally we remove the head and print the list again to confirm it's updated. Let's run main method to see the result. The result is here. The first result, before removing the head, spring, summer, fall and winter. After removing that, we print the result again and the result is summer, fall and winter. That's it for this video. We have successfully implemented a linked list with methods to add elements to the head and tail and remove the head. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. In the next video, we will dive into more complex operations on data structures. Thank you for watching and see you then.